Hi everyone, this is Purple Paisley Planner. I'm playing around with this prism, something new I'm trying. But I'm putting up my lights like I told everyone. I was starting early with my Christmas. And I thought this was so pretty. See that? It's glittery. Isn't that pretty? And I got this globe. And then right here, I got that going on too. Isn't that nice? It's like very pretty. It's like reflective. See how it bounces off? It's bouncing off my wall and my ceiling, but it's really pretty. So I got that going and everything. And then I got my lights here, my ticks clock. But I think that's pretty. I think I got my halo charger. So like I stick this in my purse. So if my cell phone goes down, die or anything like that, I could use my halo here and it'll charge up. See? So it's a halo. It's nice. It's a halo charger. So I think that's nice. So I just wanted to share a little bit of my workstation. I know I haven't been on live lately. I hope everyone's having a super duper positive day and a productive day. And I'll be back soon on live. I might do it late night. Um, but yeah, I've got a lot of stuff going on. So I've been so crazy busy, but I just wanted to say hi to everyone, and I hope everyone's having a super duper day. And I'll check back later. Everyone, bye bye.